Bywoky Rotary tool will make your wonderful ideas come true. This powerful portable tool allows you to operate precise works in your workshop. It is light, powerful, and does not require a lot of skill to use well. Feel free to interchange versatile bits which can apply to diverse materials and projects. With variable speeds, cordless capabilities rotary tools, your manual tasks will be more effective and efficient. You can cut, grind, engrave, drill, polish, carve, and other amazing usage waiting for your exploration. Bywoky Rotary tool is your creation's best helper. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variable Speed Mini Drill Tool. Adjustable 5-step 3000 to 15,000 RPM variable speed rotary tool. It is suitable for a wide range of projects and tasks like sanding, engraving, grinding, cutting, polishing, drilling, and so on. Number 2. Light and cordless. Rechargeable via supplied micro USB at any place. Full charging time is about 2 hours and can be used for about 90 minutes. Note, when fully charged, the light will turn in green. Please full charge this mini rotary tool before using it. Try not to use it when it is completely dead and cannot be recharged. Number 3. Wider compatibility. This drill chuck compatible collet and spindle lock allow you to quickly and easily change accessories on Bywoky Rotary tools. Our various accessories and attachments can meet your most of work requirements. Please make sure the bits are fixed in the rotary tool every time. Number 4. High performance small craft tool. This well-made, easily taken, durable mini rotary tool is ideal for craft projects and DIY creations in your home, working in the garage, hobby, jewelry tools and equipment, model making, woodworking, metalworking, and more purpose. Number 5. For surface sanding. To smooth your workpiece's surface, you can choose from abrasive stone, flat wheel, sanding drum, and disc for your different objects. The sanding bands and sanding discs help your manual crafts to become more smooth and to remove the rough surfaces more effectively. Some difficult surfaces like steel rust, paint, and rough boards are becoming removable when you fit the sanding accessories. Number 6. For projects cutting. Easy to cut plastic, steel, shell, and aluminum, brass, etc. The fiberglass cut-off wheels are more durable and make the materials cut smooth and accurate. Laying floors, decorating cobblestones, or installing pipes are the basic projects that you can operate. Number 7. For surface polishing. Rotary tool can also help you to remove the rust on some metal surfaces. Use the stainless steel brush to polish the metal efficiently. Just put a few buffing compounds on the flat wheel and gently glide the buffing wheel with a slow, steady, light touch will do things right. Number 8. For stone grinding. Not only can it use on removing rust and polish metal, but the grinding wheel can also make your DIY work more perfect. Number 9. For diamond drilling. It is perfect to use drilling bits with a cutting guide when you want to drill or cut wood. The different sizes of drilling bits and special cutting bits allow you easily work on wood and more safely with a cutting guide. Number 10. Versatile 42 pieces accessories. Comes with 3.7 volts 2.0 cordless rotary tool, tool bag, 42 pieces accessories, accessory case, battery charger, user manual. This rotary tool comes with 42 pieces of accessories, which can be used to do all kinds of home projects or crafting jobs, such as grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.